Hey, what's up guys, Equalizer623 here, back with another video. And today I'm teaching you guys how to do the Pokemon thing where you have what's it called? The joystick thingy-majig, and you can move without actually moving. I will show you guys how to do that. So first, what you want to do is you're going to want to go to Safari and type in iOS if you are on iOS. I don't know the Android version, but this is for iOS. You're going to type in iOS em.us, and then you're gonna scroll down. It's gonna say download to device. You're gonna press it, and then it's gonna say install. You install it, and then it's gonna load on your screen. You're gonna tap it. It's gonna say you need to trust the developer, so you're gonna go to your settings, go to general, go down to profiles and device management. It's it's gonna say iOS EMUS. You're gonna it says delete profile for me because I've already trusted it, but you're gonna trust it. Then you're gonna go into the app. I'm not going to do it. Okay. You're gonna go scroll down. Refresh. Okay. Oh, this is so stupid right now. Okay. See how it has Pokemon Go? You're gonna tap on it. It's gonna say install. And you're gonna tap install. I'm not going to do it because I don't want to have to put mine in. So you're gonna press install. It's gonna show up like 2 more times. It's gonna load on your screen. Right? It's gonna load like wherever you have it at, and then I'm gonna go. Well, I think you have to trust it to do the same thing that you did with trusting the iOS emus. You're gonna go in, and I'll show you how to do it. You can run, walk, drive, teleport, and you can go to home. It's not actually where you are. It depends where you spawn, but it's like this random place for me. I'm gonna spawn there, and yeah. And then whenever this will load, here's the joystick and the walk and move. I run. Driving is quicker. If you teleport, you're most likely going to get banned. And I know how to fix the infinite loading screen too. So when you're in the game and it's not moving at all, you're going to want to back out the game, flip up, turn airplane mode on, Wi-Fi off, go back to Pokemon, and then you're going to, whenever it gets to the loading screen, swipe your screen up and turn Wi-Fi back on and airplane mode off. That fixes this infinite loading screen glitch. Yeah. And then, so when you get here, do that, turn Wi-Fi back on, and then you get back into the game basically. Sign out. If sign out goes on, don't press it, because it usually means that it works. Yeah, see? Now it's loading. I usually run. I'll show you to run. And then, see the compass thingy up here? If that's like that, the red joystick is going to move you forward. And this is where I spawned. That doesn't mean where you guys are going to spawn. Hey, there's a Squirtle nearby. What the heck? It's not letting me tap on my nearby anymore. Okay. So it looks like we're going your own way. I'm going to do this. And then, yeah, see? And then drive is obviously a lot quicker than any other thing. You can do if you teleport, it's most likely gonna ban you. So I'd suggest not using teleport. At first, it might say, oh my, there's a Geodude. Okay, sorry, I have to get to the Geodude. I need these Geodudes, but, yeah, that's basically it. And that's two things in one. This is for iOS, the infinite loading screen glitch. If you do have that, that's how you fix it. That's what I usually have to do. But I'm also going to be making a video today of my normal Pokemon Go account. It's not the hacked version. Okay, well, we're still going the wrong way for that Squirtle. But, yeah, that's how you do. And then if I go to the home, you move. Well, yeah, and then it takes you back to where I just was. It may not take you guys there, but that's what it's going to take you to. So, yeah, I hope you guys do find this useful. If you do, hit that like button and tell me down below in the comments. Peace.